Alright guys, so what we're going to work on today is the actual firewall of the car. Now, when I built the framing inside the car, I squared everything up. I made sure everything was level. I went that way. Now, the issue is when I laid the body all the way down, it caused the firewall to tilt back a hair. So what I have is actual flush at the bottom, and I've got a gap at the top. So we're going to have to make some panels with some folds in it, things like that, and make a recessed area on the firewall to accommodate it. And it's going to be a lot of work and a lot of issues, I can tell you that now. The original firewall has all types of ribs in it and stuff for strength, and that's going to cause the sheets not to lay flat. So we're going to have to cut out a good amount and go from there. Now, we're not going to remove the engine yet. We're going to get all our templates done, everything like that. Then we'll pull the engine so we have room to work. But for right now, we just got to figure out each piece and get this thing made. Alright, I'm going to try something that's probably not going to work, but instead of shearing on the lines here and mounting the piece and taking a third piece to do the actual recess, I'm going to try to do it all at once. So, see if it works. If not, hey, we'll go back and shear it off and it's fine. So, gotta try though. Alright, plan's not going to work. Now let me explain to you why. Okay, where I drew this line here that matches the front, I need to bend it another 90 degrees to make the flange. Well, my shear's a 3-in-1. The bottom area is an actual deck that you slide the metal in to shear it. It protrudes out. Therefore, I can't get this in tight enough against the brake to take and fold it. Sometimes you're limited by your tools. Now if you have a normal finger brake, there's nothing below it. You can slide it right in, do a quick bend, and you're done. But hey, I got what I got for. So, change of plans. We're going to shear this off so it has the flat area and the turn, and then we're going to make that 90-degree flange that's going to rivet the two together. So, let's shear this off. Well, I screwed up again. So right here, where I had drawn the line on the inside, I marked the holes for the rivets up. I should have marked them down. So this whole row is over an inch out. So, gonna go ahead and make another piece. All right, so look, I started making another piece. And as I'm laying it out, my wife comes out and tells me that the AC on the house is broke. So I go inside, I'm trying to fix it, figuring out what's wrong. I get it going, but in the same time, I've got this in the back of my head. And I realize a way that I could actually bend it with the tools I have. I just have to leave the corner out. Okay, so the way it folds, I wasn't able to do the corner. So I sliced the corner at an angle, went ahead and folded it all up, got it in, and then I made this cover piece here, which allowed me to give it a rounded corner. I bead rolled a step in it, and there you go. Got it all there. Sometimes it works. Just step away, do something else for a little bit, and it'll hit you. Now, I'm not a Glicos, so I've got to rivet this thing on here, at least in a few spots. Issue is the rivets I have are crap, and the place that I normally get them with this whole COVID-19 thing, I can't get in there to actually get my rivets. So we're going to do our best we can, pin a few in here, that way we can move on to the other side. Now before I go and make a whole nother template, we're going to just see if the other side will work. Alright, well, the pieces are in. Now, understand that this is just the base, alright? We're going to pull the motor next week. We'll take and do some more trimming on it, and we'll fine tune these panels. Then after that's done, we'll probably add some decorative stuff. I've got an idea for some copper tubing to run my wires through, so I don't have to route them through the interior of the car. So, much more to come on this. This is just the base. So, alright guys, well, I appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, be safe out there, and I'll see you next week.